In this video, Dason AI Studio brings you a minimalist Chinese design with the aesthetic philosophy of the Song Dynasty. If you need the original image, please contact us privately and we will provide it to you for free. The integration of Song Dynasty aesthetics in interior design is not only a tribute to traditional culture but also a reflection and enhancement of modern lifestyles. The core of Song Dynasty aesthetics lies in nature and artistic conception, pursuing a life attitude of harmony with nature and the ultimate state of forgetting both the object and the self. In interior design, this can be translated into the fluidity and layering of spatial layout, where designers skillfully use elements such as screens and partitions to create a space with a winding path and distinct layers. In terms of color application, Song Dynasty aesthetics pursue harmony and contrasting colors, often choosing soft hues like elegant blue and fresh green to create a pure and refined atmosphere. Scholars of the Song Dynasty pursued a refined and elegant lifestyle, integrating culture into life and expressing their aesthetic pursuits and life ideals through poetry, songs, and other forms. In interior design, this cultural heritage is reflected in the exquisite treatment of details, such as exquisite embroidery and unique patterns, all of which demonstrate the superb craftsmanship and profound cultural heritage of Song Dynasty artisans. In the selection of furniture, attention is paid to the choice of materials and the exquisiteness of craftsmanship, such as the simplicity and sturdiness of solid wood furniture and the delicacy and elegance of porcelain. In painting and calligraphy, the Song Dynasty emphasized the charm of brush and ink, pursuing freehand and spirit resemblance. This artistic spirit and skill are equally applicable in interior design, where designers can use simple yet refined design techniques to create an interior environment that is both modern and traditionally styled. The compositional principles of Song Dynasty landscape painting, such as lofty, profound, and distant, provide a deep perspective and inspiration for interior spaces. Song Dynasty ceramics, with their simple yet refined style, natural and smooth lines, and elegant colors, showcase the core concept of Song Dynasty aesthetics that pursues nature and artistic conception. In interior design, the display of porcelain can add artistic value and cultural atmosphere to the space. Song Dynasty aesthetics emphasize nature, artistic conception, inner cultivation, and moral perfection, injecting new vitality into traditional Chinese culture. Its influence is far-reaching, leaving a mark not only in the history of art but also affecting later artistic schools and styles. In modern society, Song Dynasty aesthetics still hold significant value and meaning. It provides us with a way of life that returns to nature and pursues inner peace and harmony, offering a rich source of inspiration for modern design. Designers can create works that integrate tradition and modernity by applying the concepts and elements of Song Dynasty aesthetics, meeting people's pursuit of a better life. The unique position and brilliant achievements of Song Dynasty aesthetics are reflected in its unique insights and pursuits in the fields of nature, life, and art, and its influence extends beyond its own time, leaving a mark in the cultural development of later generations. By studying and practicing Song Dynasty aesthetics in depth, we can infuse more cultural content and artistic atmosphere into modern interior design, allowing people to feel more beauty and harmony in life. The application of Song Dynasty aesthetics in modern interior design is a combination of cultural inheritance and innovation. It is not only a decorative style but also a reflection of a philosophy of life and aesthetic pursuit. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in our video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to collaborate with us, please contact us through the method provided at the end of the video. See you in our next video.